Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is April the 18th, 2018, and I wanted to show you an experiment that I started about a month ago, and I've actually had some success. And what is in these little containers are pepper seeds from fresh peppers that I bought at my local grocery store. So one day while I was making a salad, I decided to keep the seeds instead of tossing them out. So my first experiment was taking the seeds that were still rather damp, and I tried to germinate them, and that had 100% fail rate. And then what I did, I took the seeds and I let them dry out in this container for a good 2 weeks. And now this is about a month later, but these seeds are very dry right now. But even after 2 weeks, I did the same experiment. I took them, I put them into paper towel, into a container, and I had some success. And I've already had a bunch germinate, and I have those in containers, which I have right here. And all of these, I have here written yellow peppers, orange, yellow peppers from Fresh Peppers. Planted them on April the 16th, so 2 days ago. So all of them have germinated. One is actually coming out right here. But I will come back to this video once I get a little bit more activity. But I'm very happy with the success. So I had more going in other containers, and I just want to show you that you can get success at home. Let me just zoom in. So now that I've zoomed in, hopefully you can see that. You can see the little tails on some of those pepper seeds, and I'm not sure if they were yellow or orange, but they were not green. And it's going to be interesting to see if I get any kind of good results in my climate, because I don't know where the peppers came from, if they were from, grown locally, or if they came from United States or perhaps Mexico, where the climate is much warmer. But there we have it, so you can see that there is some germination going on. And I'll also open this one here, just to show you. So if anybody says that you can't grow peppers or get them germinated from fresh peppers, they're wrong. You can see that right here, and I have proof of that. And these are all started. The success rate is not, anywhere near 100%, but you can see that a lot of these have started. And in my second test, the ones that I do have planted, I did have quite a high success rate. So I'm really happy with that. So anyway, for this video, I guess I'm going to end it here. And once the little plants start growing, then I can come back and actually show you that I do have, a little bit of actual success. Because at this point, these could still die off, and I want to see what's going to happen. But I did want to just shoot this video, just to, have it on record that I actually got these going. So that's it for this really fast video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out on my recipe channel over at facebook.com/bakelikeapro. I have a recipe channel on YouTube called Bake Like a Pro, and I have over 500 recipes there. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll catch you on the next one.